All right, welcome on board, traders. Nice to have you here. Now, I just want to walk you through the entire app, just in case you are new, so that you have a feel of um, what BitUnix is all about, right? Now, here on the app, this is going to be a very brief tutorial, but very apt and well packaged. Here you can see we have home, you can see we have markets, we have futures, we have sports, and we have assets. All right, now under the home section you can see everything here: BTC, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Doge, Pepe, and everything. Under the market section you can also see that we have different assets too. All right, but the major concern and major part we'll be focusing on is going to be futures and sports. All right, now for the futures section, right here, when you come here, I want to explain everything in details. When you come here, you can see this section where we have cross. Okay, if you just click on it, it's going to show you, this is where we trade futures. It's going to show you your margin mode. Now we have cross, we have isolated. Now cross, it says what is cross isolated mode? Let's click on it so that we read it together. It says all available assets in futures account are used as margin. Okay, margin is how much you have in your futures account. All right, and positions will be liquidated when losses exceed the account balance. The account has a high ability to bear losses, making it easy to operate and calculate positions. Meaning, if you have a very huge sum of amount, let's say $500, $300, and you are using low leverage on your cross mode, you have a higher chance to maintain your positions to avoid liquidation. But the only thing is that every position you enter, every trade you open, everything will be tied to that margin. All right, let's say you have $500 in your futures account and you are trading on cross. Everything is going to be tied, all your positions. If you enter a BTC trade, Ethereum, Solana, everything will be tied to that margin, right? Now, that's just basically the way it is. Now, isolated mode margin, short position and long position risk are calculated independently, meaning they are isolated from each other. The user will only lose the position margin when the user liquidates the position. When the user actively closes the position, the losses and profits generated by the short position and the long position, respectively, will be immediately settled into the corresponding position margin. So basically, in a nutshell, cross mode simply means that all your positions are crossed together, tied to your margin. Now, isolated mode simply means that each position you open, let's say you open a trade with $10, you are going to lose only that $10. If you open 5 trades with $10 each, you will lose $5. You will lose $50. That's 10, 10, 10 times 5. But your entire margin will not be lost, unlike cross. All right, so basically that's one of the key differences. All right, now if we want to take a trade, let me go back to asset now. I'll click on assets underneath here. Click on assets. Click on assets. I will just transfer from spot to USDT M futures. Okay, I'll teach you how to fund your account as well, but just pay detailed attention to what I'm doing. Now, just click on futures. And when I want to place a trade, I have different orders here. I have limit, I have market. Those are the two most important ones. Now, let's say, for example, this trade, I want to go into a trade of BTC and I want to enter at market price. Market price meaning I want to enter at the current market price, which is this. That's the current market price. So all I would simply do is just drag this cursor here. Drag this to how many percent I want to buy or sell with. So if I'm buying with 25%, I can now impute my figures. Let me change this to market. Buying with 25%. Let me put my leverage to 10x. Leverage is a multiplier. All right, I will explain what that is. But usually I don't go above 10x. For a beginner, you shouldn't even try it. All right, now I'll put my stop loss. My stop loss is the price that I want price to get to for the exchange to close the trade for me. So it is an order I'm giving the exchange that, hey, look, I don't want to risk my entire account. When price gets to this level, close it for me. So let's say I'm putting my stop loss as 96,500, and my take profit is the price that this asset will get to, or this coin will get to, and the market will close in my favor. I will close in profit. Everything is automatic. Now let's see how much I'm going to make. If I click on advanced, okay, sorry. So I'm just going to click on open long. What's going on? Okay. Okay. Okay, I think I don't have, I think this amount is quite small. Let me put this at, okay, should I say 96? Okay. Okay. The amount was too small, so I had to increase it. So I'll click on confirm. And yes, this trade is running. All right, this trade is running, as you can see. Now, if we go to open orders, right, we're going to see our stop loss and take profit. This is my stop loss, 96,500. All right, my SL price, as you can see here. This is my take profit. Take profit is 100,000. Stop loss is 96,500. All right, so basically, this is how you enter a trade on BitUnix. Now, if we want to do a sell, it's basically going to be the same thing. All right, it's basically going to be the same thing. Just come here, market price. Limit price gives you the opportunity to set your own price. All right, you can set your price here, put the amount, the price itself that you want price to get to, and then just do that. So if you want to sell, let's say we want to take a sell trade, the stop loss now is going to be higher. Let's say 98,000 is the stop loss. Take profit will now be lower because we are selling. We can make money by selling, by predicting that the market is going to fall. So let's say the take profit is 95,000. We just click on, oops. We just click on, let me increase this leverage first and see. We just click on open short, and boom. See, I've created an order through limit. Created an order through limit. So basically, this is just how it is. You can see I'm already in profit in this trade. Let me close everything. Close everything. Close everything. So now, in the next video, I'm going to just show you how you can just, or let me just say it now. When you want to fund your account, and you have already done your yellow card, you've installed your yellow card, you have bought your USDT, just come here, click on deposit, copy your wallet address. Copy your wallet address. If it's TRC20 you want to use, just come here, copy it, go to your yellow card and withdraw into this wallet address, and the money will reflect here.